Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to apply to Discover IT Student Cashback. So just head over to your Google and search for apply to Discover it Student Cashback, just like so. And this will pop up. You want to click on the first link, just like this. And then you want to click on apply and start earning right over here. And then once it loads, we are going to wait for it. It says your information is needed. So you need to put your name, your middle name, last name, and if you have any suffix, and then street address and all of these. And if this is your mailing address or not. If not, then you need to put your mailing address and then date of birth. And then if you're not a student, you need to click on this one. But since this is a student, you have to put in what year you're in college, when will you graduate, what is your monthly housing or rent payment, what is your gross income. It means wages, salary, or tips, but you do not have to include like your alimony, child support, or any other maintenance. If you're 21 or older, you might add another person's income which is available to you. And if you're under 21, then you may consider the amount of another person's income that is regularly deposited into your account, or you could also choose monthly, however you want to do it. And then bank accounts, like do you want both checking and savings, checking, or if you don't have any account. And then finally your email address, and then you need to read all of these terms and conditions, everything, and then you need to click on agree. From there you need to click on submit, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.